Welcome to Islamic World.
Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. Today we will learn how to read namaz. Namaz is our prayer to Allah. Allah loves children who pray every day. Step 1. Wudu. Before namaz, we must be clean. We do wudu, wash hands, rinse mouth, clean nose, wash face, wash arms, wipe head, wash feet, clean body, clean heart. Step 2. Face the Qibla. Stand straight and face the Kaaba in Makkah. Step 3. Niyyah. Niyyah means intention in the heart. We do not need to say it loudly. Example, I am praying 2 rakats Fajr namaz for Allah. Step 4. Start namaz. Takbeer. Raise both hands and say Allahu Akbar. Qiyam. Fold hands on chest and recite Surah Al-Fatiha. Then recite a short surah. Surah Ikhlas. Qul huwallahu ahad. Allahu samad. Lam yalid walam yulad walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. 3. Ruku. Bend and say 3 times Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. Stand up. Stand straight and say Sami Allahu liman hamida Rabbana lakal hamad. Sajdah. Go to Sajdah and say 3 times Subhana Rabbiyal Ala. This is the closest moment to Allah. Sit and second Sajdah. Sit for the moment, then do second Sajdah. Step 5. Second Rakat. Repeat standing Surah Al-Fatiha, short surah, Ruku, Sajdah. Step 6. Qaidah. Sit and recite At-Tahiyyatu, Durud Ibrahim, any short dua. Step 7. Salam. Turn head to the right and say Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullah. Turn head to the left and say again Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullah. Now, namaz is complete. Allah loves children who pray. Pray daily, speak the truth, be kind, and obey your parents.
Subscribe our channel.